Is the year 2023 financially wise? Both phones are quite expensive, with an asking price of $1,200 for each. However, when it comes to just aesthetics, both businesses have established their own design identities. The USB-C edition of the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max is now perhaps the single largest difference. Both phones feature Gen 3 USB-C ports for 10 gigabit transfer rates. However, Samsung's USB-C port actually offers quicker charging of up to 45 watts, while Apple still sticks with the iPhone 14 Pro's charging speeds. Surprisingly, Apple hasn't made any changes to the display-wise in comparison to the models from last year, so we still have slammer bezels and 2000 nits of brightness, which is more than the 1800 nits we receive on the S23 Ultra. Along with having higher CPU scores and somewhat better battery efficiency, the iPhone 15 Pro comes with a 3nm Apple A17 Pro processor compared to the 23 Ultra's 4nm. The largest improvement comes from the A17 Pro's upgraded GPU, which can actually run console games. If we're not exaggerating, the iPhone 15 Pro series will be the first smartphones to be released that provide authentic console games. When it comes to bringing console games to mobile phones, Samsung never actually works with these game developers, despite how much they like to boast about ray tracing in their keynotes. In order to compete with Samsung's enormous 10x optical zoom that goes up to 100x while still providing you with a separate 3x optical zoom for portraits, Apple actually killed the 3x zoom on their iPhone 15 Pro Max in favor of a 5x periscope zoom sensor. But honestly, that 48mm sensor has to work some serious magic in order to keep up with the quality that you get from an actual 3x optical zoom on the S23 Ultra. Therefore, when comparing cameras from Samsung and Apple, Samsung is still unquestionably king of the zoom. When it comes to the primary camera sensor, Apple has made a significant adjustment in that the phone by default shoots at 24MP instead of 12MP. You may choose to shoot at 24MP, 48MP, or switch to RAW 48MP mode. However, Samsung offers 12MP, 50 and 200MP camera modes, giving both devices a ton of choice when it comes to high-resolution camera settings. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.